Chapter 7 Google Drive. Chapter Outline. In this chapter, you will learn 1. What is Google Drive? 2. Advantages of Google Drive. 3. Getting started with Google Drive. 4. Organizing files and folders. 5. Sharing a file or folder. 6. Sharing with a link. 7. Signing out from Google Drive. Ambi. Hey KB, have you explored Google Drive? It's like a digital treasure chest for our files. KB. Really? How does it work? Ambi. Well, we can store all our school stuff in it like documents, pictures and even videos. The best part, we can access them from anywhere. KB. No way. How is that possible? Ambi. Yep. It's like magic. You can open your treasure chest, that is a Google Drive, from any computer or tablet and voila, all your files are there. KB. That's amazing. No more leaving homework behind. Ambi. Exactly. Plus, we can easily share things with our classmates for our group projects. KB. So, Google Drive is like a digital superhero for our files. Ambi. Absolutely. It's like having our own digital superhero partner for all our schoolwork. Smart Connect. The Google Drive can be accessed offline using the Google Chrome browser via a Chrome app which can be installed from the Chrome Web Store. Google also offers various storage plans with a monthly subscription. The storage capacity of Google Drive can be increased from 100 GB to 30 TB. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a free service from Google that enables you to store and share files online and access them anytime and anywhere using the cloud. It offers 15 GB of free storage space that facilitates you to store all kinds of files and documents on it. You can store unlimited amount of photos, drawings, recordings, videos, text documents, and much more. The files stored on Google Drive can be opened and edited from any device with the availability of internet. Along with storing files, you can create, share, and manage various types of files on Google Drive, such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, drawings, etc. Advantages of Google Drive. Following are the advantages of Google Drive. 1. Easy uploading and storing. With Google Drive, one can easily upload any type of file such as documents, drawings, photos, videos, etc. online. The advantage of keeping your files online is that it eliminates the need to send a file as an email attachment or save it on any secondary storage device. 2. Easy editing of the file. Google Drive gives you an instant access to Google Docs, a suite of editing tools that allows you to edit and make changes in your files. Remote access from any device. The files stored on Google Drive can be easily accessed from any computer, tablet, or a smartphone with an internet connection. 4. Easy searching. Google Drive has its own efficient search engine that allows you to find information on any topic easily. Google Drive provides the feature of searching by keyword and filtering by file type that helps in accessing the files quickly. 5. Sharing files with your friends. Users can easily share the created and uploaded files with others. This in turn enables them to collaborate on their work and collectively manage a single document with each participant making modifications. 6. Open discussion. You can create and reply to comments to receive feedback and enhance collaboration on files can be done by commenting directly on the files. 7. Free of cost. Google provides 15 GB of storage space with the facility to upload, access and share files free of cost. However, users can buy a larger storage plan if required. Quick Quiz. Which free service from Google enables you to store and share files online and access them anytime and anywhere using the cloud? 8. Free web-based applications. Google Drive also gives access to free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, drawings, and much more. Smart Connect. To edit an uploaded file online, it is first required to convert it to Google Drive format. To do so, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the web page. In the Settings dialog box, select the checkbox next to Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format under the Convert Uploads section and then click on Done. Getting started with Google Drive. Accessing Google Drive. To use Google Drive, the user is required to have a Google account. To access Google Drive, follow the given steps. 1. Visit www.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account by giving the valid username and password. Your Gmail account window opens. 2. Now, click on the Google Apps Launcher button located at the top right corner of the web page. A list of options appear. Figure 7.1. 3. Select the Google Drive icon from the list. The Google Drive window opens. Uploading a file or folder. 1. To upload a file to your drive, choose the Upload Files option from the My Drive drop-down list. Refer to Figure 7.2 or click on the New button and select File Upload. 2. An open dialog box will appear. Browse and select the file or files you want to upload and then click on the Open button. A pop-up window appears notifying the uploading status of your document. 3. Once completed, the uploaded files will appear in your Google Drive folder. Similarly, you can upload a folder either by clicking on the Upload Folder option from the My Drive drop-down list or by selecting the Folder Upload option from the New button. 4. The Browse for Folder dialog box will open. Select the folder that you want to upload and click OK. Once you upload the files to Google Drive, you can manage, organize, share, and access them from anywhere. You can also edit your files online, but for that, it is required to convert them to Google Drive format. Smart Connect. You can easily download a file for offline access. To do so, locate and right-click the file and select Download from the displayed list of options. Organizing files and folders. After uploading files, you can organize them in the relevant folders. Google Drive provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folders. Creating a new folder. Following steps are used to create a new folder. 1. Click on the New button. A list of options will appear. 2. Select the New folder option. 3. A small window will appear. Refer to Figure 7.3. Specify the name of the folder and click on the Create button. The folder gets created. Moving a file to a folder. You can move a file to a folder by following the given steps. 1. Click on the file that you want to move. 2. Click on the More Actions button at the top right corner of the web page. 3. Select the Move To option from the displayed list. 4. Select the folder from the displayed list of folders. Refer to Figure 7.4 and click on the Move button. The file moves to that particular folder. Searching a file or folder. Users can store a large number of files on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. Sometimes it becomes difficult to locate a file among so many files. The searching feature of Google Drive enables you to look for a file using keywords that exist within the file or file name. You can search a file using 3 methods. Method 1. To search a file by name. 1. Click on the search box. 2. Enter the name of the file to be searched. A list of file names appear. 3. Select the required file. The selected file opens. Method 2. To search a file using file type. 1. Click on the search box. A list of file types such as PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, etc. appears. Select the type of file that you are looking for. All files of the selected type appear. Method 3. To search a file using search options. Click on the Search Options button located at the right end of the search box. A form appears. Fill in the details on the form to search the required file and click on the Search button. The matching file appears in the search results pane below the search box. Deleting files. Deleting a file from the Google Drive moves it to the trash folder. If you want to delete it permanently, you will have to remove it from the trash folder. To delete a file, select the file to be deleted. Click on the Remove button present at the top of the window. The file gets removed from the drive and moved to the trash folder. To delete the file permanently, select Trash in the navigation pane on the left. The trash folder appears. Select the Empty Trash option from the drop-down menu of Trash option. The file will be deleted permanently. Restoring a file or folder. You can also restore a file or folder from the trash folder in the following way. 1. Open the trash folder. 2. Select the file to be restored and click on the Restore from Trash button on the top right corner of the file selected. The file will be restored to its original location. Seek more. If a file is deleted mistakenly, it can be restored instantly. This is done by clicking on the Undo option in the pop-up window that appears on deleting the file. Viewing the files. Google Drive displays your files and folders in two different ways. 1. List view. This view displays a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as the owner of the file, date when it was last modified, and file size, etc. By default, all files and folders appear in the list. 2. Grid view. The grid view displays the files and folders in the form of thumbnails. To use this view, click on the Grid View button located at the top right corner of the window. Duplicating a file. To create a duplicate copy of your file, select the desired file, click on the More Actions button located at the upper right corner of the file selected, or 2. Right-click on the selected file. 3. Select the Make a Copy option from the displayed list of options. Refer to Figure 7.11. A copy of the selected file appears. Renaming a file. To rename a file stored on your drive. 1. Select the desired file. Click on the More Actions button located at the upper right corner of the file selected, or right-click on the selected file. 2. Select the Rename option from the displayed list of options. Refer to Figure 7.12. The Rename window appears. Specify the new name for the file and click on the OK button. Quick quiz. Which view displays a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date when it was last modified, file size, etc. Sharing a file or folder. Using Google Drive, you can also share your files or folders with others. This enables multiple people to work together on a file. To share a file, follow the given steps. 1. Select the file that is to be shared. Click on the More Options button located at the upper right corner of the file selected. Or right-click on the selected file. Select the Share option from the displayed list of options. 2. A Share with Others dialog box appears. Refer to Figure 7.13. Enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share on the file. 3. For more control over the files, you can select one of the following authorization options by clicking on the drop-down arrow of the General Access button to decide whether people can edit, comment on, or simply view the file. Editor. When you share a file with people, they receive an email containing a link to the shared file, which allows them to edit it along with other users. Each editor who is working in the file will be visible as icons at the top right corner of the screen. Commenter. By using this option, you can restrict people to only comment on or view the file. Viewer. It is a default option and it allows other users only to view a file. 4. Add a note in the Add a Note box if required and send it along with your file. 5. Finally, click on the Send button. Sharing with a link. You can also share your file with multiple people by providing a link to any file in your Google Drive. To do so, follow the given steps. 1. Locate and select the file that is to be shared. Click on the Share button located at the upper right corner of the file to be shared. 2. A Share with Others dialog box appears. Refer to figure 7.14. Click on the Get Shareable Link option at the top right corner of the dialog box. 3. A link to the file will be copied to your web clipboard. You can then paste the link in an email message or on the web to share the file. When you have finished, click on Done. Signing out from Google Drive. To sign out from Google Drive, do the following. 1. Click on the Google account icon on the top right corner of the window. 2. Click on the Sign Out button. The Google Drive window will be closed. Seek more. To know more about Google Drive, visit Tech terms: GB, gigabytes; TB, terabytes. Upload. It is the process of sending data from a local device to a remote server. Download. It is the process of retrieval of data from a server to a local device.